Hello, YouTube. It's Black Tiger Miner here. Welcome you guys back to the Black Tiger Miner YouTube channel. And now we're going to talk about XRP Ripple. I got a lot of people that are deeply invested in it. I have invested some, but I'm not deep as these guys are. But they're pushing me to make a XRP video, so I've been doing some research. So here it is. I think XRP, along with Caspa and Bitcoin, might be the next big bangers. So you know me, I'm doing research and making videos for you guys, trying to let you stay ahead of the curve, or at least be with the curve. So I'm a little behind here, but I did invest in Ripple or XRP early. I did dump some when the whole legal case happened. So now with the partial victory, we're going to go through some of the information about Ripple. We'll do the numbers and then we'll get to some of the research. So let's start here with the crypto bubble. XRP is up 8.7% in the last day. It's down 0.2% in the hour. For the week, it's up 77.9%. Banged out this week. For the month, it's up 70.7%. Pretty much right behind Caspa. Interesting. And for the year, it is up 131%. So yeah, we're going to keep an eye on this one as well. And for Live Coin Watch, Live Coin Watch says it's at 0.835. So basically 84 cents. Market cap is 43 billion. Volume, 24-hour volume is 3.432. Market cap versus volume is 7.82%. All-time high 392 and is currently at 83. This is not financial advice, but if it gets back to the all-time high, that's a pretty good profit, right? And with them, with the partial legal victory, I'm pretty sure it's going to exceed the all-time high. So the last hour, it's up 0.2%. 24 hours, it's up 8.44%. Last 7 days, it's up 78.86%. Last 30 days, it's up 69.06%. Last 90 days, it's up 75.78%. And the last year, it's up 123.8%, which is pretty amazing considering the crazy drop when the legal problems happened with them. Once they started being involved with the SEC and things kind of peaked out. But looks now it's starting to rise. I don't know how high it's going to run, but this is good for crypto overall and definitely good for XRP. So circulating supply is 52.5 billion. Total supply is 99.9 billion. Max supply is 100 billion. Market cap is 83.49 billion. 24-hour range is 9.11%. 24-hour high or 24-hour low is 0.768, which is about 77 cents. 24-hour high is 0.846, which is 85 cents. The liquidity, I don't know what this 2 is, but it's 195 million. Bids minus 2% is 98.6 million, and ask plus 2% is 97.3. So if we look at let's go to the last 7 days, 24 hours, you can see it's steadily going up. Say it was at 75 cents, 72 cents, 73 cents. And for the last 7 days, it looked like it spiked. What day was this? Between the 13 and 14, it went from 0.47 to 0.79. So it went from 49 cents to 79 cents, which is a 30-cent jump, which is rare in the crypto market. With the way it's kind of consolidating, this is a good thing. Just like Caspa, it's not dipping, but it's just consolidating, which is also good. So let me know what you think about Ripple or XRP or XRP Ripple. Just trying to figure out the correct terminology here. I'm kind of just getting into the XRP business. So let me know in the comments. Also, let me know what you think about it. If you're following it, if you invested, how much you invested, or if you don't think it's a good idea. So let's get to the articles. So first article, Monday, Ripple says U.S. bank will want to use XRP cryptocurrency after the partial victory and fight with SEC. Ripple is confident U.S. banks will start wanting to use XRP for cross-border transactions after a judge gave them a firm partial victory in its fight against the SEC. General Counsel Stu Avatori told CNBC. Judge ruled that Ripple, a cryptocurrency, a judge ruled that XRP, a cryptocurrency Ripple is closely associated with, was not itself necessarily a security and a development with major implications for the digital asset industry. It wasn't a total victory for Ripple. However, the judge also ruled that sales of XRP by Ripple to institutional buyers do not count as unregulated sales of security. I'm just reading it. I have no idea what they're talking about, technically. I mean, I kind of know, but I don't know fully. So if you can't explain the comments, let me know. But I'm kind of trying to ramble through a lot here. So I'm just going to keep pushing and let me know in the comments. Blockchain startup Ripple is confident U.S. banks and other financial institutes in the country will start showing interest in adopting XRP and cross-border payments after landmark ruling determined the token was not itself necessarily a security. San Francisco-based firm expects to start talks with American financial firms about using its on-demand liquidity ODL product, which uses XRP for money transfer in the third quarter. Stu Altertori, Ripple's general counsel, told CNBC in an interview last week. And I'm not going to go too much into this article. I'll post it in the comments and you can read it for yourself. So the next article is saying, this was today, this morning, XRP futures set open interest record high for 2023. Open interest XRP based future contracts crossed 1.1 billion in the past 24 hours. Let's see if we
and set a record high.
The chart of the day is brought to you by Crypto.com, the world's fastest growing crypto app.
Let's take a look at the chart of the day. Open interest on XRP tracked futures climbed over $1.1 billion in the last 24 hours and set a record high for the year, according to CoinGlass data. Open interest, or the number of unsettled futures contracts, has risen 21% since Tuesday. Higher open interest is a sign of increased bets on an asset and suggests an inflow of new money into a financial market. The majority of the positions are held on Binance. XRP tokens have surged as much as 6% for a second straight day, even as the rest of the market has remained little changed. The recent interest in XRP tokens comes after last week's U.S. court ruling that the sale of XRP on exchanges did not constitute investment contracts. That's it for today's chart of the day. I'm
so
Jen
we
Sanasi.
see
We'll see you
here
next time.
the open interest on XRP tracked futures climb 1.1 billion in the last 24 hours, topping the 1 billion level touched last week and set a record high for the year. XRP token has surged as much as 6% for the second straight day of gains, even as the majority crypto remained unchanged. The data shows the token touched 80 cents, matching last week's high before pulling back. Okay, so on to Twitter. So Crypto Bull's saying XRP could reach $40 by September. So if it's at roughly 79 cents and it reaches $40 by September, that's an insane profit. I'm just going to throw that out there. Again, this is not financial advice. This is just entertainment purposes, but this is a heck of a surge. If we follow the same monthly percent increase, price will hit $1.70 this month and $6 in August and around 40 in September. So it's showing here 220%, 240%, 500%, $1, $6, and $40. I'm not sure that I agree with that or if this is even possible, but I'm just showing you the information and you make your own determination. Do your own due diligence and let me know what you think about it. So also, I want to play this. Banks will use XRP. It will clear the path for banks to use ODL XRP, which means there will be a significant demand for XRP. So I would say pick up XRP. So let's go to this video and see what he's saying.
So I'm super positive that it's going to have two really positive impacts from an investment standpoint. Number one, it will clear the path for banks to utilize ODL, on-demand liquidity, because there will be no regulatory burden or liability associated with their buying and selling XRP in the course of using ODL. Right?
Right.
And that, what does that mean? It means that there will be significantly more demand for XRP, and the amount of trading liquidity around XRP will significantly increase. And the second really material benefit is that it will significantly increase the value of the XRP escrow that Ripple holds. So Ripple will benefit, A, because it'll have much greater market adoption for its payment processing product, more customers, more revenues from those customers, but also the intrinsic value of the escrow will increase. Those two things are significant investment drivers for Ripple stock.
Okay, so there you have it. He's mentioning that it is a good investment for Ripple stock and the XRP coin. And I actually need to research what this ODL liquidity is they're talking about. If you know, let me know in the comments. Investment executives, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch, Santander, Unicredit, Standard Charters, Westpac Banking, and Royal Bank of Canada are the founding members of the organization known as the Global Payment Steering Group, GPCS. GPCS will oversee the creation and maintenance of Ripple payment transaction rules, formalized standards for activity using Ripple, and other action to support the implementation of Ripple payments capabilities, Ripple says in a news release. So basically, they're saying all these banks will create a process for doing payments and the maintenance of Ripple payments, which will be big, right? This would be one of the bigger moves in cryptocurrency as a whole. So I'm not saying to sell your house or sell your car and buy Ripple, but definitely DCA into Ripple as well as Caspa. Trying to make you guys some money here. This is not financial advice, but this seems to be another good option. And I have one more. So this RIA's, Ripple's largest report, let this sink in, 220 trillion by 2027 and cross-border payments alone. The value of cross-border payments expected to reach 250 trillion by 2027. 4 years from now. And the advantages of global payments powered by crypto are readily apparent. Furthermore, than half the global payments in treasury professionals point to faster payments and cost saving as the top 2 reasons to incorporate crypto into their cross-border payment business. I'm not 100% sure what cross payments is, but if they're saying to be able to move money across the borders, crypto will definitely take over this position and it will hold it going forward. So if you're thinking about investing in it, now would be a good time. Again, for the last time, this is not financial advice. I'm just saying. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out on this Hump Day Wednesday, trying to give you guys some Ripple XRP information. If you want to keep the Ripple XRP going, I need at least 100 likes and 20 to 25 comments. Come on, guys, talk to me. Let me know something. But this is Black Tiger Miner signing out, and we need a catchphrase for Ripple, but not yet. But let's get back to the money, guys.